Lamay buys a saging and soda, while James chose a homemade meal with fruits the teacher noticed and worms. Lamay. Too much junk food is not good for your health. Lamay shrugs it off, enjoying the meal without concern. Lamay struggles to sleep, tossing and turning. His stomach feels uneasy, and he wakes up feeling tired and sluggish the next morning. In school, he has trouble concentrating during a test, realizing that he fails constantly. After months of eating junk food, Lamay gains weight and starts experiencing headache and shortness of breath. Worried parents take him to a doctor. Who worms your cholesterol is high, and if you don't change your diet, you are risk for serious health issues. Lamay looks shocked, realizing the effects of his choices. Determined to improve his health, Lamay starts jogging and eating nutritious meal. James joins him, encouraging the change over time. Lamay feels more energetic, sleeps better in patterns, while in school he smiles, realizing that making healthy choices has transformed his life. After improving his health, Lamay decided to share his experience. He gives a petition about the negative effects of junk food.